Trailing creates extra texture and definition for outlines. The first thing to do is to lay down a base for the trailing thread. I'm stitching a few lengths of extra strong sewing thread close together. This part will be completely covered, so it doesn't matter what it looks like. You only need to have a think about how the base will create the effect you want once it's covered with a trailing thread. I'm fixing the base threads down because it's easier for the video. It's possible to trail threads without stitching them down first. You can leave the ends free and direct the base thread round curves or details, fixing it down with the trailing thread as you go. When you're ready to start trailing, bring the needle up on one side of the base threads and make a stitch over the top of them. Bring the needle back up on the same side you started and continue to stitch along the length of the base, covering it with the top stitching. Keep the stitches as close to each other as possible to help the trailing threads to cover the base. If you're using stranded cotton, you'll need at least 3 or 4 strands. This helps keep the coverage even. When you've reached the end of your design, secure the thread on the reverse. It takes a bit of practice to keep the tension of the threads even along the length of the trail. I left some of these threads a little loose, but it was easy to even them out again by pulling them a little tighter at the back. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.